Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on creating folders in Files on iPhone. If you find this video helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. Open up the Files app and then tap on the 3 horizontal lines button in the top right corner. Tap New Folder. You can now name your folder and tap Enter. Your folder has been created. You can hold down on it to get a list of options. From here you can rename it, copy it and move it, among other things. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful, and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more iPhone tips and tricks.